They made a choice. And that choice was not to live, but to die. Not to have everlasting life, but to have everlasting death. They would rather die than live, and God respects their choice and gives it to them. The question, do you want to live and receive everlasting life? Or do you want to die and receive everlasting death? And God respects the choice of man and of Satan. And fire comes down from heaven and consumes them. Revelation 20 verse 7, and when the 1,000 years are expired, Satan shall be loosed out of his prison, and shall go out to deceive the nations which are in the four quarters of the earth, the Gog and the Magog, to gather them together to battle, the number of whom is as the sand of the sea. And they went up on the breadth of the earth, and compassed or encircled the camp of the saints about, and the beloved city. They encircled the city, and the next thing that happens, and fire came down from God out of heaven and devoured them. And the devil that deceived them was cast into the lake of fire and brimstone, where also the beast and the false prophets are. And then it states, and death and hell were cast in the lake of fire. There will be no more death. And whoever was not found written in the book of life was cast in the lake of fire. And the elements shall melt with fervent heat. The earth also and the works that are therein shall be burnt up. That, my dear friends, that is the end. But in the end, everyone, even Satan, will be consumed, burned up, vanish. There will be no place for him and his angels in the new universe.